UTSA because it's so close to home and it's such a diverse community that we are able to be as one here at UTSA with such great communities. For me, being from Austin, definitely the community feel, the family. I came here really not knowing what I was doing, where I was going, and the first time I stepped to UTSA, I was almost in tears because it felt right.
One thing that I really love about Fiesta is that it gives the opportunity for student organizations to all come together and see each other and like mix and mingle, get to meet new people, as well as get to have some great food as well.
I love the culture here at UTSA. There's always something going on either here at the Sombria or the Paseo or other places here on campus.
I love UTSA Fiesta because it reminds me of San Antonio Fiesta. Being here from San Antonio, it's really great to experience something not downtown and something, on main campus.
Honestly, the community here at UTSA is unlike any other. The excitement that everybody gets here at UTSA for anything that may happen. It could just be for something that's comparably really small at a different university. We're all just very happy and very excited to be at a great university that's growing. Fiesta 2019 is the best ever